Hi everyone, my name is HEMASHREE. I'm first year from EC branch. Then my topic is drone delivery. Let me discuss for drone deliveries. So, an introduction for the drone delivery. Drones are basically flying robots. So UAV is a technical name of drone. Nowadays, a drone is used for a transfer of goods called a delivery drone. This is one of the latest technology used for a delivery process. It helps to increase efficiency as well as accuracy. That helps to reduce human cost by using drones. There is no need to invest millions of dollars for the entire supply chain process to get the fast and efficient results. Drones are controlled by a software or a remote with the help of the embedded system integrated with the GPS and other sensors. So, then drones delivery how to works with the it with the helps of the remote and embedded software programs. Drone can be controlled easily in air cameras, laser sensors and GPS technologies. Drones ground cockpits can control drones by using remote control. After receiving the order, it is prepared and packed. After that is fed down the conveyor belt and loaded in drone. The most advanced equipments in the field of electrons. Robotics can be aeronautics or drones. Some area which are risky from human reach can be covered by drones. They are made from extremely light material in order to reduce weight. With the help of the smartphones, embedded apps which are remote control, any operator can control on or more drones and with their activities from a place. Drone can capture footage and image from the place which are difficult to human reaches in the warehouse or anywhere. Then advantage of the drone delivery. Then first one is a reduction in a wait time. Wait time for a customer will be reduced with the great reliability. Then size compatibility. Huge drones are used to transform bulk of a material in a large companies. So, then third one is time management. Due to the accurate programming, drones have a perfections in a targeted area. Then fourth one is energy conversion. Human effort are lowered as a tone from a delivery token placed drone. Then fifth one is risk reduction. The area which are useful are which are full of human risk have been covered it by robotic work. Hence, accidents are reduced by not putting lives of a human in a risky area. Thank you.